I'm Nessa, and this is ESL Top 10. I'm super happy you're here. Thank you for watching. This lesson, I'm going to go over 10 sets of words that students often mispronounce. It doesn't matter which country you're from and what pronunciation mistakes you make, because there are going to be words on this list that you probably are mispronouncing. So check it out, and I'm going to encourage you to stop, go back, rewind a little bit, watch again, and repeat any words that you struggle with. So here we go. So I don't know if you caught it, but actually number one, the two words that are often confused or mixed up, I've already mentioned them both. Can you guess what it is? So the noun pronunciation, nun. Think of a little nun, like a Catholic nun in a church, nun. Or I have none. Do you have any money? I'm sorry, I don't have any. I have none. Pronunciation, as opposed to the verb pronounce. So one more time. Pronunciation, pronounce. Number 2, 3 here. Let's start with the adverb. Quite. It's quite beautiful. It's quite cold. As opposed to the adjective quiet. 2 syllables there. Quiet. Shh. Quiet. And quit. I quit my job, or I quit drinking coffee. Quit. So one more time. Quite. Quiet. Quit. Number 3. I'm going to be talking in some of these tips about silent letters. So here we go. Don't say salmon. It's actually salmon. The L is silent. So when you go to a restaurant, you could say, I'll have the salmon. Or you go to a store, excuse me, is the salmon fresh? Number 4, more silent letters. This is about silent B's. So here we go. Don't say debt. It's actually debt. What's debt? The meaning of the word, it's a noun, and it means you owe money. So you might have debt, or you might be in debt. And again, it means you owe someone or a bank or perhaps a credit card money. Either way, it's not a great situation to be in. Next one is doubt. Don't pronounce the B. It's doubt. I doubt it. In English, most people use doubt as a verb as opposed to a noun. I hear lots of students, especially from Brazil, say, I have a doubt. Teacher, I have a doubt. Maybe you could say, I have a question, or I'm not sure about something, to sound a little bit more natural. And the last one is subtle. The B is silent. Don't say subtle. It's subtle. Number 5. I'm going to give you 2 here. They're both bizarre pronunciations, but also the words get mixed up. So the first one is receipt. The P is silent. So repeat after me, receipt. And so when you go to a store and you've paid for something, you could ask for a receipt. And the next one is recipe. It's weird, right? Because that E is at the end of an English word, but we're actually pronouncing it. So it's recipe. Excuse me, this is amazing. Do you have the recipe? So a recipe is when you get instructions on how to cook one dish. Recipe. Number 6, clothes. Not clothes. Or clothes. Wow, I really like your clothes. I need to buy some new clothes. Number 7. So I'm going to show you 2 here where we drop a whole syllable by taking out one vowel. So don't say interesting. We can say interesting. Oh, that's really interesting. Tell me more. Interesting. And the other one, instead of saying chocolate, we say in English chocolate. So the second O is also silent. 2 syllables, not 3. Number 8. So I'm going to show you 2 words here that both start with CH that have really unusual pronunciations. I'm pretty sure that if I saw these words and didn't know them, I would mispronounce them because they're quite unusual. So here is the word. I want you to pronounce it. Go ahead, say it out loud. So did you say choir? So the pronunciation is choir. A choir is a group of singers. You might see a choir in a church, or you might join a local choir so you can sing with a group of people. Choir. The next one is chaos. Chaos. 2 syllables, but the first sound is a k. Chaos. Chaos is when there's complete insanity. There's no order. And you can use this in your everyday English to describe a really busy, hectic situation. As in, I went Christmas shopping and the mall, it was chaos. Or it was chaos at work this week. Everybody's getting ready for tax season. Number 9. These are about the endings of some adverbs when they end in C-A-L-L-Y. So let's start with adjectives like artistic, logic, automatic, and turn them into adverbs. How do we pronounce it? We say artistically. So we take out that last A. Artistically, not artistically. Artistically, logically, automatically. Automatically. You can learn English automatically. I wish. Number 10, 2 words here where the vowel sounds are often mixed up, which can create confusion. So here we go. First one, work. Work. Take the word were, like we were happy, we were late, were, and add k, work, work, as opposed to walk, walk. Walk, the vowel sound is exactly like talk. So say talk and start with a w, walk. So sometimes people say, I walked today, and people are like, walked or worked? I'm not sure. So make sure, work, walk. So those are my 10 sets of words that I hear day after day in my English class here in Vancouver. Students struggle with pronouncing. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, shoot me a quick comment, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to make a part 2 to this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of ESL Top 10. If you liked this video, please subscribe so you can catch my latest ones. And I will see you back here next time.